Hello, today I'm going to show you how variables are working. First of all, I want to make sure that you know what variables are. Variables are an element where you can store data. I can give you an example. So, we are here in Python. We can code our first variable. I'm going to name the variable people. So now, this is our variable, and this is the number I added to it. And now we can print this variable people. So, and if I'm going to press on play, we should see, and we can see that down here there is the number 100. So we can do this with other things, like for example, we also can name this variable to, we can also name it money and give it the number 10,000. And now if I'm going to click on run, it cannot print anything because there it says print people and not money. So I'm going to click on play and we get an name error. So I have to change people into money and now it should be working. Yes, we can see down here it is printing the number 10,000. To understand that better, we have the variable money, and this variable is stored with the number 10,000. And now, if we want to get access to this number, we are going to type in the name of the variable, that is, in our case, money. So basically, the name of the variable is the key for the number. So if we want that number to print, we have to type in the key, for example, money. So there are a lot of options for variables, but right now we are going to look at the primitive types that can be numbers, booleans and strings. So there we have a whole number. This number is 10,000, which we refer to this as an integer in programming. It is also possible to have variables with numbers with a decimal point. So if we are going to type in, for example, price, and we're going to declare it 3.99, we can say print price and it should be printing this. Yes. So this is called a float. And now we can look at the booleans, and boolean is an true or false. So if we are going to type in, for example, if you are going to develop a game, we can type in grounded, and there are two options. One option, the object, for example, the object is grounded, or the object is not grounded. So we can type in false, or we can type in true. And there is one thing that is very important. You have to write true or false with a capital letter. Booleans have to have a capital letter at the beginning. If we are going to type in true, you see it don't know what you mean. But if we are going to write it with a capital letter, it knows what to do. So yes, and when we are going to type here in grounded and press on play, it says true. Yeah, some basic things. And Then we have the strings. Strings are, I can show you. For example, we can declare a name in an variable. Name is, for example, Susan. And now we have to pay attention, because if we are going to declare a string, we have to make quotes at the beginning and at the end, because otherwise the Python don't know what to do with it. And now we can print the name, and if you're going to click on run, it names Susan. And these are the basic things you need. You have a variable with numbers, a variable with a boolean, and a variable with a string. So that's for now. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I would be happy if you are going to watch the other tutorials that I have, and I would say I hopefully see you in the next video. Till then, bye.